So, those that follow along will know that I've been planning this for absolutely ages and will know that what I'm on about is the UK's party hire line. It's something that I've been thinking about for bloody ages, and I'm now in the final stages of putting it all together. So, these are all of the bundle packs I have put together, and they're all pretty much ready. I'll talk you through them. So what I'll quickly do, all of these are up on my website, but I have barred anyone from hiring them out this month because I plan to put all the social things out for next month, but I will talk you through them, and then I'll also go into what's in the pack as well. Just a quick FYI, this will help if you are somewhat familiar with what I do. If you're not, have a quick look through some of my videos, go on my Etsy, go on my Shopify, have a little glance. Look at the RRP prices. Some of you might not be keen on that, so then hang fire. The highest version is coming. Also, we have not gone for anything fancy with the packaging because it is just a hires line. Everything is double packaged within it, so it's extra safe. And there's also a bag in here for you to send back as well. And this will all have a free returns label, but I'll go into that in a sec. Anyway, let's get to sitting on the floor as per. Fucking love it. So much space compared to restricted tabletops. Anyway, let's start with the all green hire set. So I am working towards having set hire packs all in specific colours, like all white, all pink, all green. This is my all green option, and it has 2 lots of 3 meters UV green stretchy webs and 2 lots of 2 meters UV green stretchy webs. The deposit on this is 100, and I have deposit sizes of 80 and 100. The £80 refundable deposit will be for just like 1 or 2 pieces. Anything over 2 pieces in a bundle pack will have the £100 refundable deposit. So that's a little bit of a insight as to why there's different refundable deposits amounts. But anyway, within each one, they're all going to be packaged up like this. There we go. It'll all come straight to you in a bag like this. You get the gist. This is all going to be all UV green. Stretch them over ceilings, walls, over sound systems. Use absolutely everything to section off rooms. Just make your room pop. Flick your UVs on. Easy transformation. And within each one, you're going to get one of these little Polly Pockets as well. So you will have in there a reminder of when you're going to have to ship it back. So you're going to get like between 8 and 12 days to have this. And I think the 8-day one is a little bit cheaper than the 12-day one. But for example, this says your hired decor must be dispatched by. So you just really can't forget. And you'll also be getting emails from myself as well, just to be like, you've got to ship back. So you'll get that. A quick little easy as 1, 2, 3 clip art thing. So your rented decor arrives, install it and transform your event, pack down, make sure it's clean, then post back with a free returns label. And then you'll also get a little easy to follow installation manual with it. And some of them will need to be cleaned if they get dirty. So you've also got a care manual inside. And last but not least, the dreaded terms and conditions. I have plastered this all across my website on every single listing and included it here. Hopefully to cut to the chase on what's expected of both me, you, and generally the whole shabam. And then also, as I've mentioned before, you've got a bag in here as well. And then when someone orders, I will be including a free returns label. So yeah, that was my all green stretchy web hire pack. In a minute, I will go through some of my larger options, which I've called the medium hire pack and the large hire pack. And you'll see why, because there is a lot more content. Right, now introducing one of my favourite ones, because it is the biggest one that I offer so far. There will be even bigger ones launching with like camo nets, LED inflatables, you name it. This is just a first introductory lot. Oh my god, it is so heavy. This is my large rental pack, and it consists of 4 lots of 4 meter sizes, all in geometric colours, green colours, pink, white. 1 lots of 2 meter rainbow, 1 lots of 2 meter white. And again, this is £100 refundable deposit. With the deposits as well, once you return the decor back to me, within 5 days, once I've checked over the decor, I will be refunding you the deposit back on the same payment method that you used to purchase the order. So this will all be over Shopify. Another fun little fact as well is that on this particular hire pack, the RRP is 781 quid, and with the hires on this set, you're only going to be paying £410. So you are getting a large knockoff of the price. Anyway, let's open it and show you. They took so long to put together, because also not only have I done this, but I also make to order, and I also obviously sell them individually. So it's just been hard to kind of like get all your stock ready and just your cash flow and everything. But here is the beloved rainbow. So you've got a rainbow one in there, that's 2 meters. You've got a 4 meter geometric one. These are beautiful ceiling canopies. We've got a 4 meter in green, another popular colour. This is the most vivid of the whole lot, other than the rainbow. Love this colour. We've got a white one, all whites glow blue, so very snazzy indeed. Some people have said to me, oh, you shipped the wrong colour out, and I'm like, no, look, you just need to shine your UVs, and then that's what happens. Just a little FYI. And you've also got a pink in here as well. So that's the large hire pack. And if you think about it, like we've got 4 meters, so 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18. In total, it's going to cover more than 18 meters of surface area. So that's unstretched as well. So you think about it, when you stretch them all out, you always get between about 0.5 to 1 meters more in the stretch, depending on how you install. And then like with all of them, you'll get a handy little guide pack. Again, everything, when to ship back, installation manual, the bag to ship it all back in, and the returns label as well. So that is everything. Obviously I'm not going to go through every single one, you can just go and see them on my website, but the rainbow ones, the all rainbow colour ones aren't quite done yet. I've been working on those today. Oh God. So yeah, I hope you guys love them, and I can't wait to start shipping these out, but they won't be available until June. And if you've just sat through the entirety of this not having a fucking clue what any of it does or what any of it looks like, I salute you. Honestly, go and have a look at my website, check it all out. I always supply extensive videos, extensive imagery, because this is a product that basically comes alive in the nighttime and it's just all UV reactive. So I have to supply every single possible video, image of every single light source and how many different types of glow there can be, for example, and where you can stretch it, because the possibility is endless with all this.